Azimio kureo thirikari-ini kou ni gutuhinyiriria ni undu riu yareo thirikari-ini upinzani gutire riu ni ithuĩ turorago mundu ejua kali guku barabara-ini no menye ukiraga utoi hari uthiite ukiraga ugathie we gwicariria we mwenyewe riu katuthi gaka ndiukiraga njui karakuwa u maguta me iguru ciana ciakwa cie nyumba ni ciaigatire thukuru na thukuru irero ni free no menye ciana ciakwa na ti private ni cia government republic kwanza mwana wako e Kasarani ni arenda bia ucio ngie private ni arenda bia nguruta bia ku na gwira gutire ni gutinda guku twandamanite uguo na tutirateithika no misara yao ikiraga iticio Ruto musara wake ni wikiraga
ni no njuge atiriri hakwa ta mawoni makwa mari ingiruta ni kuga ni president dinona ta ahota kunyita niki kirerwo kana ndari arahota gukinyira point ya niki kirahanika tondu kurugamia kwa ma minister mbere ndaya ri ararugamiria aracokia o na nitakuna we nitarona atiriri hihi ngui iria ikuo bururi-ini ri nitayumanite na opposition noguo tuguo kuri ni ati mwananchi wa kawaida ni ahinyiririkiire kwina mathina maingi na ona tanie kwirigirira kuria gwirigagirira akonerera bururi uhore ri angiarehe face njeru kana angikoretwo akirehe face njeru tondu ni akirugamiria andu wira nigetha akionania atiri onake ni ara cooperate no ria araigua ground kone kwenda kuona hihi oete mujenzi umwe akamuhe ministry niki nigetha anake cio mambe mahorere mona he mundu umwe warutwo mwena wao tekwirigirirwo uthio mweru no guo tuguo gwekeka kurekeka atiriri kiria nie ndona muthenya umuthe nta kurecycle urute mundu uma minister wa kina umurehe ministry ingi ucoka woe mwena wa opposition urehe thiine wa cabinet yaku koguo ni so far so good no njuge atiriri ndari arahota kuringa point iria irabatarania kwe Mukenya tariu uguo uri ingiuga ni ati mirurungano ona no ihiririe muno tondu kiria kirendwo kuona maitho-ini maria manakera maranegena na uria na mwanake akeria ni bururi uraria tondu ni kuri ona andu ingi ni gukira makirite no na marona challenges icio ri ihana ningiuga atiriri koro oya anake eri ageni maitho-ini ma Kenya amahe wira ni kungioneka kwina change kana akiuria atiriri andu aya boda maingiririe thirikari no gatagati-ini kao muthomu uthomete wega na ari na maratathi tondu gutikiagite andu mena maratathi oe mugima ekire hau ningiuga atiriri ngui no Kenya ningiiguika teri na mwerekera ningiiguika terorete kuhora no riu tha ici ri muonere wa arurungani nduri urarorwo wega ikiuga atiriri ta na tigutara tondu muthamaki ndagitaragwo ni ari na andu magitagwo andu aria magitara muthamaki mathie drawing board-ini o ringi mamwire atiriri ambe athikiririe kirindi niki kiroiga Mukenya ni ati aroiga woni wake ni uriku nigetha ambe ahingie maundu macio maronwo ni andu nigetha ahingie macio ri ni akuhota gucoka kwibanga ona kaba atigwo akiguithia aria ararugamirie wira kana aria mararugamirio na matina cokio atigwo akimaiguithia no ambe ahingie wendi wa kirindi kia bururi wa Kenya.
A good example mtu kama Kipchumba Murkomen ambaye amerudishwa kwa serikali. Mimi kama William imeniuma. Kwa nini? This guy sikatai yako na papers but you've got no aspect of leadership. Nani hajasikia Murkomen juzi akisema mpaka saa yake ana import? Juzi umesikia wewe mwenyewe akisema mpaka boxer zake ana import kutoka majuu. And you know, kumrudisha huyo mtu kwa serikali, then what Ruto has done, he've created a good room for wide protests, because now tulifikiria atafanya mabadiliko ambapo hajafanya mabadiliko yoyote.
And as we talk now, our consumption per month has changed from 4 million bucks to 7 million bucks, and our maize coverage has also changed in this country from 44 million acres to 67 million acres. And last year alone, we were able to push to to increase our maize production from 44 million kilos, million bags of 90 kilogram to close to 70 million bags of 90 kilogram. And when you look at it in terms of our satisfaction, we have been able to address the whole issue of food security. This year alone, you can agree with me that there is no much famine. People have not put Savrias in their head, because there is a lot of food in the country that we have gone around, and from our analysis and statistics, we have realized that this year we have been able to feed our population very well, and we have surplus. Looking at the fertilizers we distributed recently, we are seeing our crops producing better. From the survey we have done across the country, we have realized that our crops are growing better, and we are likely to get what is called a bumper harvest. And I'm encouraging the farmers to kindly look for extra stores for their produce, because there will be a lot of produce, especially from the maize sector. And as government, we'll try to caution our farmers and continue buying maize at the price of 4,000 shillings per 90 kilogram bags through NCPP. But additionally, I want to request farmers to make sure that they have enough stores for this bumper harvest. We are distributing close to 235 trials, small trials for our farmers who are growing cereal crops, to assist them in what is called post-harvest losses, which has been standing at 30% loss because of weather conditions, sometimes diseases, pest and diseases, and also the climate change elements. You saw flood recently really destroyed close to 60,000 acres of our crops, which affected around 10,000 farmers. But when it comes to food security as a country, we are happy as a ministry and as government to announce to Kenyans that we've been able to address satisfactorily the matters to do with food security. The price of 2 kilogram flour, bag of flour, has dropped from Kenya shilling 250 from 2022 to now 90 shilling per 2 kilogram bags. Additionally, the price of 1 kilogram of sugar has also come down from 240 to now close to 130 per kilo. And we have not imported sugar this time. So our factories have been able to meet the demand for the Kenyan population. We stand at 81,000 metric tons per month, and our factory is able to produce, the 4 factories and the private sector factories are able to produce close to 75,000 metric tons per month, which is enough for the local consumption. And we are happy as a sector, as a nation, to have addressed the matter very well. I know people complain, but they don't complain about food. You need to ask yourself why. People also don't say the price of unga has come down to 90 per 2 kilogram. The price of sugar has come down to around 130, 120 per kilogram, which was 250. That is an achievement when it comes to the sector, when it comes to the government, and also the benefit to our consumers and the Kenyan population. Asanteni sana.
Father, we want to tell you that we are very happy. The fire that you are breathing is what we want. Thank you very much. This is a great honor. We know you had very many schedules, but you know that and small things I can tell when you're hapa aende asubuhi. This time
kuangusha watu. Kikombe ukienda ndani unatumia plastic. I will do my part and you will see it. Do your part. And we must next year pronounce and celebrate the great achievement of each of the key factors. And as people, you will rank all every year, delegated by international partners. In that ranking, we'll be able to tell the story of the tea sector. Because I therefore wish to be clear is action and training on corporate governance forum for Region 5 of IEBC and the people for facilitating this free and fair credible election, which really resulted in new.
Hizi kati mnapigwa na watu wanaziweka. Wituli makago no limu muno tonda mahuri last year njega muno. Dinasikia warushia kila kitu. Uthie kazi ugetha kaje.
Niangalie taarifa za ngapi?
Itakuwa jioni. Hii itaki mahali penye kuna upepo.